Hello friends, welcome back to the new video lecture of OOP1 system. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about characteristics of Java, or we can say features of Java. So here I have listed 11 features of Java. There are simple, secure, portable, object-oriented, robust, multi-threaded, architectural neutral, interpreted, high performance, distributed, and dynamic. So we will discuss one by one. First is simple. Why Java is simple? So Java was designed to be easy for the professional programmer to learn and use effectively. Assuming that you have some programming experience, you will not find Java hard to master. For example, you have studied C programming language or C++ programming language, and it will be easy for you. If you already understand the basic concept of object-oriented programming, learning Java will be even easier. Object-oriented programming means C++ programming is object-oriented programming. So all the object-oriented concept will be in Java, so it will be easy to understand. If you are an experienced C++ programmer, moving to Java will require very little effort. Why? Because Java inherits C and C++ syntaxes and many of the object-oriented features of C++. Most programmers have little trouble learning Java. Means if you know the syntaxes of C and C++ and the object-oriented concept of C++, then it will be very easy to understand Java and learn Java. Here I mentioned that most programmers have only little trouble to learning Java. Our second feature is security. Security is the benefit of Java. Java system not only verifies all the memory access but also ensures that no viruses are communicated to an applet. So that's why Java is secure. Third is portable. Why Java is portable? Because the most significant contribution of Java or the languages is its portability. Java programmers can be easily moved from one computer system to another. Java ensures portability in two ways. Our first way is Java compiler generates bytecode instructions that can be implemented on any machine. So we can generate our bytecode on any machine. And second one is that the size of primitive data types is machine independent. So if we are defining our integer into our Linux system, if we are defining our integer into our Windows system, then that size of primitive data type will be the machine independent. That's why Java is portable. Our fourth feature is object oriented. Java is a true object oriented language. All program code and data reside with object and classes that we already discussed. The object model in Java is simple and very to extend that we will understand in our next video lecture how we can extend other classes. Fifth feature is robust. Robust means strong. Java is robust because it uses strong memory. There is automatic garbage collection in Java which runs on Java virtual machine to get rid of objects which are not being used in Java application. For example, if we are using C programming language, then in C programming language, if we use any memory, if we allocate any memory by our memory functions, then at the end of our program, we will have to free that memory. So that is the memory free we will have to do by ourselves. But in Java, it will be automatic garbage collection. Means that memory will be freed by itself. So that's why Java is robust. Sixth one is multi-threaded. Java was designed to meet the real world requirement of creative, interactive and networked programming. To accomplish this, Java supports multi-threaded programming, which allows you to write programs that do many things simultaneously. The Java runtime systems comes with an elegant yet sophisticated solution for multi-process synchronization that enables you to construct smoothly running interactive systems. For example, multi-threaded or multi-process example is your web browser. In your web browser, you can surf on many websites at a time. At that time, you can listen your songs, you can watch your videos. Also, you can download your particular file from different software servers. So that is the example of multi-threader or multi-process. So Java was designed to meet that requirements. Okay, so that's why Java is multi-thread. Java's easy to use approach to multi-threading allows you to think about the specific behavior of your program, not the multitasking subsystem. Seventh is architectural neutral. How the Java is architectural neutral? So, a central issue of Java programmer was that code longevity and portability. One of the main problems facing programmer is that no guarantee exists that if you write a program today, it will run tomorrow even on the same machine. Means no guarantee to run program another time. Operating system upgrade and changes in core system resources can also combine to make program malfunction. Malfunction means it cannot run anymore. So, programming system upgrade and changes in core system can also affect its execution. So, the Java designer made several hard decisions in Java language, and the Java virtual machine, that is JVM, that we have already discussed what is JVM. So, Java virtual machine in an attempt to alter this situation. Their goal was write code once, run anywhere, anytime and forever. So that's why Java is architectural neutral. Eighth one is interpreted. How interpreted? You already know the concept of compiler and interpreter, but Java is interpreted means usually a computer language is either compiled or interpreted. Java combines these approaches, thus making Java is two-stage system. Means Java will compile also and interpret also. Java compiler translates source code into bytecode instructions. That bytecodes are not machine instructions, so we cannot run that bytecode directly. So Java interpreter generates machine code and that can be directly executed by the machine. So that is running in Java program. We can thus say that Java is both a compiled and interpreted language. For example, this example we have already discussed where we were discussing your JVM. We will discuss again. If we write a Java program, then Java compiler converts it into the class file, means your byte code. Here 1010 is the byte code, that is your class file. That class file will be directly not run onto your computer. For that, you will have to convert that file into the machine code. So for that, you will need an interpreter. That interpreter will generate a machine code that your machine can understand, and after that you can run it in your machine. So here your source code will be compiled and that compiler will be generate a bytecode, and that bytecode will execute onto your different operating system. It means if you want to execute your this bytecode into Linux, into Windows or into Mac OS, then after the bytecode your JVM, Java virtual machine, will comes into the picture, and that will run your this bytecode, that will convert your bytecode into machine code, and after converting into machine code you can execute into your operating system. Means Java uses both compiler and ninth one is high performance. Java performance is impressive for an interpreted language, mainly due to the use of intermediate bytecode that we have already discussed here. Intermediate bytecode. Tenth is distributed. Java is designed for the distributed environment of the internet because it handles TCP and IP protocol. Java also supports remote method invocation RMI. These features enable a program to invoke method across a network. That we will understand in next video lectures how to enables a program to invoke method from other network. 11th and final is dynamic. Java is considered as dynamic because of byte. A source code written in one platform, the same code can be executed in any platform, and it also loads the class file at runtime. Anything that happens at runtime is considered dynamic, so our Java is dynamic. So these are the 11 features, or we can say characteristics of Java. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you.